Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology portal. My name is Sashwati and I hope all of you are doing great. We all know how difficult things have been in the past 2 years. The pandemic to top everything has ruined many things for us. Most of us are still in the processing stage and trying to cope in the new normal situation. Many of us have lost our loved ones, many of us have lost our jobs, our relationships and whatnot. Considering all of these, many questions come into our mind about how hopeful we should be about the future. Well, 2021 is technically leaving us in a few months. 2022 is knocking on our doors. In such a situation, we would want to know how the new year will turn out to be. Worry not, as I'm here today with a very special video. This video is specifically curated for the natives of Aquarius with regards to the year 2022. I will tell you how your upcoming year will turn out to be with regards to the various aspects of your life. First and foremost, and before moving on to the predictions, let me quickly give away the planetary movements which will take place in 2022. So on the 13th of April, Jupiter would move into the Pisces zodiac sign in its 10th house and Rahu will be in Aries in its 11th house on the 12th of April. In the same month, that is in April, on the 29th of April, Saturn would enter the zodiac sign Aquarius in its 9th house and on the 12th of July, it would transit into the zodiac sign Capricorn in its 8th house after becoming retrograde. So these were the major planetary movements or transits which will take place in the year 2022 and affect your life. I'll start with the predictions now. First and foremost, I'll begin with your love life. As per Vedic astrology, the natives of Aquarius will have an average year according to your love horoscope. It may be because of the rude behavior of your partner, but it is advised that you should not feel this heartbroken because in the month of April, you will make an effort to understand your partner better while you are in a relationship with your partner, and you will also help him or her stay polite and gentle at the same time. Problems that you might be facing at the beginning of the year in your love relationship may be due to compatibility issues, which you should take note of. Hence, you should try to understand and resolve them with love and affection. With the months passing by, the year will bring portability in love affairs. The end of the year will be completely happy, which will make your relationship healthier and even better. Moving on, I'll talk about your career. So Aquarius natives may have to face some challenges and some ups and downs this year. Who are into the corporate field and in government sectors may get a transfer order, and you may have to keep your calm and handle the situations with patience when things get messed up or difficult. You should always remember that you should not give up when things get difficult. These are the testing times of your life when you should practice the virtue of patience. Avoid getting into arguments or conflicts with higher authorities, as you may have a very negative impact on your work life. It is advised to have good relations with your colleagues. After all, they are your friends at your workplace and they will help you out. Why not? They will definitely help you out in times of need. People who are currently unemployed will get good jobs this year. The latter part of the year may be more prosperous and you may get recognition for keeping up with your good work and your efforts. When it comes to your financial life, then you will maintain a stable one during the year 2022, as the income would be good and the expenses would also be pretty much be the same. This year you may not be able to save as much as you have desired, but you will buy some kind of property and jewelry this year. Social and family events also demand a very big amount of expenses from you. As far as the students of this sign are concerned, then you may not face many obstacles in this year. The natives who have been appearing for competitive examinations may not get the desirable results. The months between January and April will prove to be beneficial for students who are aspiring for higher studies. It is advised to work hard at it, as it may bring better opportunities and luck for Aquarius students this year. If we talk about your married life, then this year will bring average results. The natives may have to face some obstacles from time to time. Things will look better as the year progresses. If you wish to succeed in your married life, then plenty of love and time and also effort on your part is required. Your domestic life looks average, as this year there might not be any major significant changes in store. In the first quarter of the year, you may have to face some obstacles in the family and there may be some disputes which will increase your mental stress. Hence, in the first half of the year, you are advised to keep patience and let things go. You should always know the art of letting things go, as there is peace and serenity in it. In the second half of the year, you will find a chance to make things better with your family. The last quarter of the year will be very good for your family life, and you will find the necessary support and love from your household members. If we talk about your health, then you may suffer from stress, and there are major chances of some minor ailments triggering you, which will be majorly caused by poor digestion issues. Health issues may also affect your work life, and you may have to pay more attention to your mental health in order to improve your physical condition. It is advised to adopt a new hobby, take a proper diet, and do whatever it takes to maintain your mental sanity. Your lucky number as per the horoscope 2022 is 11 and also 8. All of these numbers are ruled by Saturn, and the year is ruled by the number 6, and it is ruled by the planet Mercury. Saturn and Mercury, they share a very neutral relationship with each other, and hence this year will be very good for Aquarius natives. This was all you need to know about the Aquarius horoscope for the year 2022. I hope that this video would give you a sense of relief in these stressful times. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay tuned for the latest updates. Thank you.
For regular updates, follow our Instagram page right now.